I am Carlo Miguel F. Santos, a simple student who aims for the best with regards to my future. I just graduated from high school with honor as a class valedictorian, and I'm very proud to say that even though we came from an average family whose income is not that stable to sustain our needs, this does not hinder me to study hard and fight for my dreams. In order for me to continue studying in college, I applied in different scholarships that were offered by different colleges and universities here in our place and in nearby towns. I'm glad and overwhelmed at the same time, knowing that I passed the entrance examination of two best universities in the Philippines, the Ateneo de Manila University and the University of the Philippines, Los Baños. I became an instant scholar as I turned out to be one of the 50 students who topped the entrance examination of Ateneo with a degree, of course, of civil engineering. Moreover, I also became an oblation scholar of UPLB, as I also became one of the 50 lucky students who topped the UPCAT with a degree course of Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering. From these two prestigious universities, which one should I choose? Wait. Civil engineering? That looks great. I think I'll be successful after finishing the course. On the other hand, ABE? ABE, what is that? Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering? Oh, engineering. But agricultural? What? Just a farmer? Wait. Let my imagination be wild. Whoa! Avengers! But I think that's fictional. I should get to know it first. This is my first time to enter UP Los Baños. Where should I go first? Oble, I'm having a hard time right now on deciding which university should I go in college. I'm having difficulties on contemplating myself of what course should I choose. I need to consider this to ensure my future success in life. Help me, Oble, help me.
Carlo. Don't worry, Carlo. I am here to help you solve your problem. I will conduct some interviews that will surely help you on answering that problem of yours.
I don't know. A new course, so I don't know what to say.
Pagkakaalam ko po, yun po yung agricultural na something.
Makakatulong din siya sa community ng LP, saka dun sa mga estudyante, lalo na dun sa mga bagong knowledge na matututo yung mga estudyante.
Yung bagong term ng agricultural engineering.
I know, ABE, Agricultural Biotechnology Engineering. ABE, yan, a degree course here in UPLB.
Dati siyang agricultural engineering, tapos naging abe, ganun. Pinalitan siya, naging agricultural and biosystems engineering. Yun.
Para sa matulungan natin yung agriculture natin, kailangan natin mag-aral ng gano'n. Sila yung pag-asa ng bayan para maalagaan pa yung agriculture natin.
Siguro kasi 'di ba parang agriculture. So parang kung anong profession ng agriculturist. So siguro para wala sila na opportunity. Pwede sa DA yun. Gano'n. Tapos sa mga iba pang department na may connection sa agriculture.
More on industrial works. Kasi ang agricultural country ang Philippines. So, yun. Mas marami kayong makukupang work na dito.
Ibang bansa, mga in-demand din siya kasi agricultural course din siya and engineering siya, by the way, engineering. And parang may mga companies din na pwedeng mag-offer sa mga abe grads na mag-work dun sa company nila kasi nga parang in-demand din siya.
Oh, I understand now. But aren't those just negative comments and opinions about it? So, it's not popular, right? Should I just choose Ateneo and stick with the civil engineering? No, no, no! Don't do that! Oble! Oh my! Who are you?
I am you. Don't be a fool. You're wasting the opportunity to study in the best university. Choose Abbey. You just have to research and find facts about that.
Okay, I get it. Just don't pop up again. Wow! I guess I will choose ABE now. My exemplary intelligence and extraordinary capabilities will surely benefit this university. I will exhibit honor and excellence. That's why I'm choosing UP. Go ABE! Avengers!
An engineer is a known profession that solves technical problems through his knowledge in science. Agricultural and biosystems engineers combines all their knowledge in engineering with biological and agricultural sciences. They are challenged to work for the improvement of tools, systems, and processes that can increase the supply of food in our country. Also, they are responsible for the improvement of the efficient production of agricultural systems, lessen the dangers that the system can bring to the environment, and to control the agricultural wastes and byproducts. Small farm mechanization is one of the problems in our agriculture. It is a well-known fact that the bulk of agricultural production in the developing countries is in the hands of the smallholder farmers who depend very much on tools with very low mechanical advantage. The small farmer or peasant farmer is an important client for new technologies developed for the purpose of increasing basic food crops in most tropical developing countries. Is achieved in relatively small farms by people with very limited capital resources. Most of these farmers at different ecosystems and with their resultant cultural practices are aware of the biotechnologies and farming systems that are most suitable for their respective agricultural environments. ABE engineers are required to solve this problem through their knowledge of engineering aspects as well as their knowledge in biological and agricultural sciences. In short, it integrates engineering, the sciences, mathematics, and IT to solve problems of bioproduction, bioprocessing, post-production processes, up to the delivery of goods to the consumer, approaching all challenges with a holistic systems approach and gearing for efficient utilization of resources and limitation of environmental effects.